Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. For you to solve by completing the square method, then you can form the almighty formula by solving this one. Firstly, we have to make the coefficient of a to be equals to 1. We're going to divide both sides by ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Let's divide through by a by a by a, also here by a. Now here a cancel a, we have x squared plus bx all over a. We take the constant to the right hand side. We have this is equals to minus c all over a. For 0 divided by a is equals to 0. Then secondly, we are going to find the half of b, square it and add it to both sides. We have x squared plus b all over a x plus b all over 2a square. This is equals to minus c all over a plus b all over 2a square. Then the next thing to do, we are going to square that side. We have x squared plus b all over a x plus b all over 2a square. We have v square. We can have them all in square. Then this is equals to minus c all over a. We have b square all over 4a square. Then we are going to solve this one as the LCM. Since it's separated by addition, that's the LCM. Here we have x squared plus b all over ax. We can factorize the right hand side. By factorizing the right hand side, you will have x plus b all over x. If you factorize the right hand side, you have b all over 2a all square. This is equals to, you find the LCM here is 4a. This is 4a. 4a into a is, we have minus 4a plus b square. Then since we reach this stage, we are going to take the square root of both sides. By taking the square root of both sides, you have x plus b all over 2a all square is equals to the square root of minus 4a plus b square all over 4a. Then here you can say these two cancel the square root. Here you have x plus b all over 2a. This is equals to, the square root may be plus or minus the square root of, we take this b to this side, we take minus 4a, we have b square minus 4ac all over 2a. This is equals to, x And here we'll have x plus b all over 2a equals to, we have x is equals to minus b all over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Since 2a is common, we can take it as the LCM. We have x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4a all over 2a. That's the almighty formula. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.